Okay everyone, I'm doing another battle. Yes, I'm putting the Nokia 7.1 against my flagship, the LG V40 ThinQ. I'm shooting this video in 4K at 30 frames per second. How do I sound? How do I look? You know the normal things. Yes, people, I'm putting a flagship against a mid-range phone. I like doing these comparisons. I know that the V40 should not lose to the Nokia. I think we all know that, but I want to see how does it compare to my flagship phone. But let's see any focusing problems. They actually both look pretty good. I mean, you get so much more options with the V40 than the Nokia phone, but so far what I'm seeing on the ground here, it looks pretty good. Which one do y'all like the best? Y'all let me know. Look, it's not a pretty day in Texas. It's supposed to be getting cold. Well, if you believe 40 is cold, that's cold to Texas. But y'all let me know how everything looks. How does that sound? I'm gonna come back with 1080p just a minute. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second on both phones. How do I look? I mean, how does the video look and how do I sound? Look, it's still wet at the park too. Bam. But there you go. How's the sky look? Yeah, it's not very bright today, but y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. And to the people that keep on asking me in my comments, why do I do these flagship phones against the budget phones? It's because I want to. Because I like giving people content that they actually can see, they can make a decision on. And I just want to know how my $350 phone compared to the $920 phone. But that's okay. Y'all keep on leaving the comments because y'all watching the videos anyway, so it's always a good thing. But y'all let me know how the video looks, how do I sound? Because yes, I'm gonna switch the the audio back and forth. So y'all definitely let me know how everything looks and sounds. Bam. Look at the grass again. Which one has the more realistic colors? Which one looks oversaturated? Y'all let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely come back with a front-facing video. Peace. Okay everyone, so this is a front-facing camera on both phones. Yes, I'm putting my Nokia 7.1 against the LG V40 ThinQ. Y'all let me know how do I look, how do I sound. Look at the background. Look. Yes, that's the minivan in the background if it picked it up. Right there, look at the minivan. I'm gonna do some walking. But yeah, y'all let me know how both phones turned out in this whole video. I'm gonna have some nighttime video coming up after this one. I love doing these comparisons. I love seeing how each phone compete with each other. Is the V40 a good phone for 2018? I think so. I think a lot of people are actually figuring that out. Shout out to Big Dog. I know he likes the V40 too. I don't know if he likes it more than the OnePlus 6T, but y'all let me know how this video looks and sounds. Do y'all hear that knocking in the background? Somebody's building something. Probably looking at me. Why is this dude walking with two phones talking to him? But y'all let me know how this was. Until next time, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the nighttime video on the Nokia 7.1 and the LG V40 ThinQ. What do y'all think about it? How does it look? Yes, I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. Look, I'm just holding the cameras. We'll see. See the sky? The sky is kind of cloudy. The lights are really messing with the clouds. But how does the buildings look? How do I sound? It is getting windy and cold in Texas. Well, like I said earlier, if you think 45 is cold, then yeah, you might have a problem with this weather. But yeah, I'm just at my favorite spot at nighttime. Bidlocks is closed for the night. There's actually people still here, so that's kind of weird, but it is what it is. Y'all let me know how everything looks. I'll go to this tree. yeah, the V40 is definitely doing a better job. I hope it would compared to this $350 phone, but my Nokia is doing not too bad. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this video. Until next time, peace. So this is a front-facing camera on both phones. I'm shooting them at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Y'all let me know how I look and sound. Nokia's actually doing pretty good. I mean, the V40 right now on the phone looks better, but what y'all think about it? Look at the background. Yes, it's still cold in Texas, but y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video. What about the photos y'all saw? But so far, I am enjoying the Nokia 7.1. Yes, I'm also enjoying my LG V40. That light is really messing with everything right now. But y'all let me know how I look and sound walking around. How did this whole video do? Pick a winner. Let's have a conversation in the comments below. I definitely like talking to my subscribers or the viewers of the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.